Guys, today we're gonna talk about why subscribers don't matter. But before I even start, you need to subscribe and like and share this video into your Telegram account, Facebook account, Twitter account. Did you share it? Great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But before I even start, you should comment down below what you think on this topic. My external mic just died, and maybe the wind noise is annoying, but I don't think it's as annoying as people who constantly tell you to subscribe and like and share in the beginning of the video instead of delivering the topic. To be honest, I have no idea why small YouTubers still do this. Subscribers don't even matter at this point. Some channels with millions of subscribers have only a couple of thousand of views on each video, but other channels with a couple of thousand of subscribers have hundreds of thousands of views. I literally see it when I watch YouTube. And the same thing is happening on TikTok and Instagram. Today the algorithm is predicting the viewers' behavior and trying to serve the content that viewer may want to watch. Mostly people watch recommendations feed or main page on every social media. Rarely anyone goes to subscriptions feed. It's sunset time, so I have to be on point. You really need to ask yourself why you need those subscribers. At this point it's a vanity metric. Obviously you need first 1000 to monetize your channel as well as 4000 watch hours. But after this point, why do you need those subscribers? If people subscribe to your channel out of pity or because of your great skill of hypnosis, like hypnotoad or whatever, they will be a dead weight for your channel. They will not come back to really watch. People who really want to watch, they will find your channel on the main page, because algorithm works this way. If you watch something recently and you watch the full length of the video, YouTube algorithm will probably give you the next video from this channel just to test whether you like it or not. And if a viewer watches several videos of the same creator, the channel will be just recommended to this viewer every time creator uploads. Basically, I have some channels I'm not subscribed to. And actually my main account is very old. I have over 1000 subscriptions. I have I think close to 2000, and if I just go to subscription feed and try to scroll through the channels, my computer starts lagging, so it's just impossible at this point. I have no idea to whom I'm subscribed, and when I see these channels on the main page, I just recognize, and if I want to watch the topic, I just watch the topic. But I rarely go to the subscriptions feed because some channels upload frequently and some channels upload like once a month, and it's difficult to find something of good quality. If I'm subscribed to a channel related to news, for example, I don't want to watch all the news in the world, obviously. So channels are built different, but the algorithm basically knows what to serve to the viewers. I have no idea what a broken toilet is doing here. Any guesses? I don't know, comment down below. This is my recording spot. In this condo, some owners just left their cars, and management just pulled old cars here. You may see some tires down, and somebody just threw away the toilet. Yeah, I made this b-roll to make content more interesting, I guess. You see what I did there? I tried to be natural. People are getting interested in the topics initially, but after they watch the video, they decide whether they like you as a person or they don't like you at all, and they will never watch your videos again. Basically, the main indicator of whether the viewer will come back or not is the watch time. If somebody watched full length of your long form video, probably they liked it, they found it valuable, and if a video on a similar topic will get recommended next time, and not all topic is revealed, there is something to reveal, to talk about more, people will subscribe and just watch your content naturally. You don't need to force them. It's just pointless. Small YouTubers don't understand that by pitching to subscribe, they just first annoying the viewer and second leaving money on the table. So what should you pitch instead? Instead, you should pitch your link in the description. You should find something that complements your channel, complements your topics, and put this link in the description. And don't be shy to tell them, hey, there's a link in the description. You can find value in it, because that's the way to monetize your channel. Professional content creators earn about 60 to 80% from extra monetization methods, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital products, not from the AdSense. If you watch revenue report from any relatively big YouTuber, you will find it to be true. Yesterday I watched Apriline Alter's first year on YouTube revenue report. Actually, it's not her first year on YouTube. She's relatively big in YouTube advice niche. But anyway, it was her first year being monetized. And she revealed that obviously her AdSense revenue is only about 20 to 30% of her total revenue from her YouTube channel. So there are different better ways to monetize your channel, and you should concentrate on creating a funnel from your channel. If you want to go full-time, if you want to quit your 9 to 5, you should create a strategy on how to monetize your channel. I already recorded several videos on this topic. You can watch them, you can learn something, and it's up to you. I'm not forcing you to subscribe. It's pointless to me. I only want people to subscribe who are part-time content creators and who are struggling to monetize their channels to their full potential and quit their 9 to 5 and go full-time. This is the audience I'm looking for. I don't need everyone on this channel. I don't need just random people who stumble across the video and I beg them to subscribe and they subscribe and now they're that wait, why would I need them? Why would I need just a vanity metric? For every topic I spend some calories in my brain. I do some mental work, so I expect my work to be appreciated, and I want to create a community of people who are like-minded. Why would I need random people on a channel? It's just killing your channel. You shouldn't do this. Yes, the growth of the channel will obviously slow down, but after the algorithm analyzes the pool of viewers that watch your channel, that really watch video after video, analyze their behavior, their interests, their age, their country, it will be the time for your channel to blow up, because YouTube or any other social media, actually like TikTok or Instagram, will know what type of audience to serve to your channel. It's not based on subscribers anymore. This time is gone. You are not Graham Stephan. It's not 2018. You don't need to ask your audience to gently bump that like button. It doesn't work anymore. This method is dead. It's not in the algorithm anymore. Algorithm analyzes what viewer really wants to watch at this time. If viewer wanted to watch your content yesterday, but today he's interested in a different topic, your content will not be recommended. It's not up to you. It's up to the trends, up to the viewer's behavior. You cannot really control it. All you can do is create good content and think before you create your content, like what type of audience will constantly watch this video after video. So imagine this: you forgot about subscribers and you just concentrated on your strategy, and YouTube started serving you like-minded people, and you created a big community and they subscribe naturally to your channel. So you have a community, but people are watching for free. And you already know that some people want specifically tailored answers to their questions, to go deeper into the topic. And you can monetize that. This is what you should do. You can just put an affiliate link to your community, and you can invite your people who already know you to your paid community. And to do that, you can just check out my link in the description. It's 14 days free trial, and just test it. Maybe it's a good way to monetize your channel. And maybe one day you will be important like this person. Actually, no, don't expect this. We all aspire to become a celebrity, I guess, with 1 million subscribers. But most of us will not become big. But anyway, you can monetize a small channel. Why would I need a channel with 1 million subscribers that brings only AdSense revenue like $3,000-4,000 if you can achieve this revenue with 10 to 20,000 subscribers just with paid communities? The plan is actually very simple. Create your strategy, create your content plan, keep posting content, and just people will come if your strategy is good. And then you can monetize your community and transfer your people from free YouTube community to paid school community, for example. I'm a bit too salesy on this channel, but that's intentional. I'm just trying to show you that you sound annoying when you ask people to subscribe every time. And it's getting dark, time to wrap it up.